Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get Thanos Chomik. Start by opening the game and heading to the Events tab to locate the limited portal and token rewards. Focus daily on the event tasks, complete short missions, and check the shop for exchange options. Save any bonus tickets and prioritize event token boosts to maximize pulls and increase your chance to obtain Thanos Chomik efficiently and without stress. Consistency wins here, so set a short daily routine to farm event tokens without burning out. Prioritize missions that give the most tokens per minute and stack small energy boosts when you have extra time. If the event offers double token windows, plan play sessions around those spikes to maximize efficiency. Coordinate with friends or clanmates for sharing strategies and tracking rare drops to raise your overall odds of getting Thanos Chomik. If you're enjoying this guide, please hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it easy to start cleaning between sessions, and its smart mapping keeps cords and controllers safe. It's a handy way to keep your setup pristine without missing a beat. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Be cautious with real money and treat purchases as optional helpers rather than necessities. Evaluate bundles by their token per dollar value and only spend on offers that clearly improve your chance to get Thanos Chomik. If there is a guaranteed drop purchase, weigh that against your budget and enjoyment of the game. Remember that patience, efficient farming, and smart use of boosts often beat rushed spending when aiming for rare event rewards.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.